What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives. Today, we're going for a drive in this 2025 BMW 740i M Sport. This vehicle has a 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder with 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Very beautiful interior in here. I absolutely love the new 7 Series. It's very luxurious. These seats feel like insanely comfortable. And I love this glass trim with like the colors inside. And this has the beautiful Bowers & Wilkins sound system with the great speaker grills. It looks so good. And the Bowers & Wilkins sound system in BMWs is fantastic. What did that just do? Okay. Yeah, so you have the updated, the newest iDrive obviously in this one with the nice screen. You have the glass controls in here with the glass shifter, glass iDrive controller, and volume knob. This just looks so awesome. And you even have the glass controls for the seats. You have a flat bottom M Sport steering wheel. The regular one will have a 2-spoke wheel. You have a big panoramic sunroof. Rear seats are very spacious, of course. The 740i is available with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, but this one is the rear-wheel drive model. Let's walk around this car and see what it looks like. You have an electronic release for the doors. You also have the newer BMW key fob in this car. Beautiful exterior. This car definitely has a presence. Looks fantastic. LED daytime running lights, of course. Big grille. When this generation of 7 Series first came out, it took a while for it to grow on everyone, but I absolutely love it. It was a little strange to me at first too, but I love the presence it has. That's what the whole goal was. And here are the rear seats, very spacious, as I said. Look at this. Look at all this room back here. This is true luxury. You even have a little remote on the doors. How often do you see something like this? You can adjust the blinds and the light back here. You can use wireless charging or put an attachment over there, or not wireless charging, USB-C charging port. But this is awesome. Very nice. Looks really, really cool. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. This one also has BMW individual wheels, which looks great. And I like the placement for the wireless charging tray over there. If you go to your modes, personal, sport, efficient, relax, digital, art, whatever that is. Let's go for a drive. Obviously this vehicle is has a very soft ride, as it's a 7 Series. That's what the goal of it is. And it's super quiet in here. It's so quiet. So the 740i is like the, the lower engine trim. So it's not like insanely fast or anything like that, but it has more than enough power for daily driving. This is a very heavy vehicle. So if you want like more power, you have to get like the electric one or the 760i, which I want to drive as well. Why don't we put it in sport mode just to see what that feels like. It says it turns off traction control in sport mode though. Let's activate it. This car just glides along the road. It feels so luxurious. It's very, very nice. And the head-up display looks really cool too. When you put it in the sport mode, it gets a little bigger and shows you like the tack. But man, this thing's comfortable. It's awesome. I just put it in efficient now. That's the mode most people are going to be driving in. And I love how when you change the modes, the glass trim changes color as well as the whole screen. The whole dynamic theme of the interior completely changes, which is really cool. And I love the newer M Sport steering wheels. Like, this looks awesome. The third spoke. And the M Sport just looks a lot better than the basic model, with all the black trim and everything like that. BMW just makes such wonderful cars. I love BMW, as you guys know. I can't explain how smooth this ride is. It's like a cloud. It's insanely smooth. And it's so quiet in here. Like, you feel so cocooned from the road in this thing. It's very impressive. This car truly exudes luxury. It just has such crazy presence on the road. And even the interior. Anyone who's gonna get in this interior is gonna be very impressed with the luxurious feel of this car. This is like a car you can just drive around in and you just don't care about what's going on outside because you feel so cocooned. And this generation of the 7 Series can also come equipped with the BMW Theater screen, which is a giant screen that comes down from the roof if you want to watch a movie. So you basically feel like you're in a movie theater, which is pretty awesome. This is so luxurious, it's insane. This car literally just feels like a hockey puck gliding along the ice. That's literally what it feels like. I haven't driven a 7 Series in a while, and like, I've driven many of the previous generation 7 Series, and this one is definitely a big step up in terms of refinement and luxury and the smoothness. All 7 Series have always been very smooth to drive, but this one's on another level. For this current generation of BMWs, while the styling has been polarizing for a lot of models, the driving dynamics have only improved, and the luxury has been great. I know the new X3 has had some cheap materials and stuff. There are a few examples of that, but this car definitely is not one of those. It feels fantastic, and I would assume that considering this is the flagship sedan of BMW. So you can't have lame materials in a car like this. I forgot to show you guys the backup camera, so let's look at that before we conclude this video. Pretty cool. So there is no park button, you just have to hit the emergency parking brake. Oh, and I forgot to mention this car also has an air suspension. But overall, amazing 7 Series right here. I absolutely love driving this car. Truly luxurious. It is amazing. But thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to stay tuned for more automotive content every single day.